Brokerage is definitely a phenomenal national agency, and I could not imagine my success, what it is today, without the Brokerage.
Hi, I'm Daniel.
I'm Kimberly.
And we are Coverage to Care. We operate in over 20 states and have over 175 agents.
We are based here in San Antonio, Texas. We are located inside a prominent mall here in San Antonio. And with our agency, agents partner with us specifically because of the fact that we roll up our sleeves and we work side by side with them. So at all times, we are in the trenches with them. We're understanding and upbridged of the changes and legislative changes to come with Medicare, and Coverage to Care is our baby. We look forward to the continued success and growth with our agency. We started in 2015. And we started with 5 agents. We quickly grew. We are currently at 175 agents in San Antonio and surrounding markets. We have our license in 20 additional states. And with Coverage to Care, it's really a matter of we're on the ground, right? We are boots walking, roll up our sleeves type of agency. And so myself and my husband both actually have our own book of business. And I think that's what really separates us from competition, is that we're in the weeds with our agents, growing our business just the same as theirs.
I think it's just the personalities of Kim and myself. We're totally 2 different people. And so agents gravitate towards us for different reasons. And so I think that really helps us. Kim's more of an outgoing person, loves to be with face-to-face with agents. I'm more of a behind-the-scenes person. I don't like to be, in the middle of everything. And so we really mesh well when it comes together of being organized and helping agents out. We have such a wide variety of different agents. No 2 agents are the same. And that is a very cool thing, because you get all sorts of personalities and all sorts of, different what I want, what I don't want from agents, what they expect from an FMO. And that's really cool to see, because you get to work with 175 different people. And when you do that, you really get to see like an agent's okay, this is how I'm going to grow, and how do you come in and help us? And it's really cool to see them, and when they hit a target or they hit a goal and you're a big part of that, it's really cool and satisfactory to see the results from that.
So Brokerage partnership actually came about a year after I was with another national competitor. Didn't feel like I was getting the attention that I felt I deserved. And it wasn't so much so on the individual side, but more so of me preparing to go down the pathway of building an agency. And so I felt if I was going to put in all of this extra work and effort, I needed to make sure it was with a solid partner. This was at the time that there was a transition of a key employee that left United Healthcare, Claudia Diaz, and she moved over to the Brokerage. And as she was making that shift, because I had so much trust in her, I decided to take the leap.
Being in this business for 10 years, you kind of see other agencies, what they do well, what they don't do well. And we've always been, had conversations with other people as far as like in agencies, as far as what they do, but it had too much corporate structure for us. And coming from a corporate background, that's what I wanted to get away from. So the family-friendly atmosphere of the Brokerage really drew us to them. And they're warm, friendly people, and we like that. We like that family feeling. Since we're a family-owned business, we like to associate ourselves with other family-owned businesses as well.
I am a goal getter, so I'm always about the next thing and what can we do bigger and better, and I'm always looking for self-improvement. Sometimes folks work and get motivated based off of competition, and yes, I am a bit competitive in nature, but I will say that for me it's always about how can I be better than I was yesterday. So the motivation is to challenge myself, and at the same time my family, my husband, my kids are still my main motivation.
The FML Summit is probably the one thing I look forward from the Brokerage more than the broker kickoff show, because from us, it really gives us the latest information, right? And so now that you have the latest information, you can kind of plan accordingly for the rest of the year. So I'm glad they held it in like April, because that gives us the rest of the year to really plan for our AEP, how we're going to grow as an agency, and really sets us up for success for the rest of the year.
you're an independent agent or if you're just starting off as an agency, it really does make a difference of who you partner with. And so really this is about long-term goal, right? This is never a get-rich-quick scheme. And so it really is a matter of partnering with the right person, because as you start to build on that foundation, it's a lot harder to dissolve that and start all over again. I could not imagine my success, what it is today, without the brokerage.